How to track Shein order without logging into your account. Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and this guide will lead you through how to track your Shein order without logging into your account. It's going to take you less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open your web app, and you can also use a Chrome browser, but most people like using Chrome browsers, but you can use any browser you like. And at the top, you're going to search by typing in parcel tracking. You will see universal parcel tracking, then you select parcel tracking. Once you do this, it will ask you to add or enter a tracking number. It says it's a global packaging, so you can type in either Shein, FedEx, or Temu, or eBay, or Amazon tracking number and then search for it. But since we're using Shein, you're going to type in your Shein tracking number. So when you search for it, it will test if the tracking number is a mistake or not. If it's a mistake, you will not see any result. But if it's genuine, you will see a result. So you will see whether it has been shipped, processed, or simply unpaid. And that's it. That is all. Hope you found this guide helpful.